today it's the 11th of January 2023. This is Somerontie 2 to 8 staircase H in the building 6 probably. 5 floors here. I just filmed the staircase M on building 8 here. This was finished in 1964, but all the elevators in the 12 staircases were added in 1997 by Otis with Otis 2000 pictures, Otis F2000. Turned 25 years old in last year, 2022, but the indicator seems to be very dim here.
Yeah.
The number is B1KE2001 and capacity is 4%. The 5 currents will be inspected in 2024, 25%. And so only talk about the door rail, but it didn't need the inner doors.
Yeah.
But still very nice, scenic. Still deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
The indicator is still broken.
Yeah.
Yes, this is here in Vallila, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Somerontie, Finland. It's gonna be green.
Yeah.
No problem. All the windows are original here.
Yeah.
Also the balcony doors.
Mm.
So, one of those buildings belonging to the city of Helsinki.
Yeah.
Where they're communal apartments.
Yeah.
That man and dog went past.
Yeah. These deep lines without maintained by scenic.
And I love this design.
Same.
They rebuilt the staircases here, and they made the staircases narrower
Yeah.
than before, but that was a good idea.
Yeah.
So that they could build elevators here.
Yeah.
It's the beautiful clock tower of the Vallila church.
Yeah.
No, it's the Pauluskyrkan. Really good idea to have it scenic towards the view of the clock tower.
Yeah.
But of course they could have been a bit faster.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. We have 10 other staircases that can be filmed in this. So I don't think we can see which one we can film now.
That's